Bigger, brighter, better. Best Buy Business is here to help you go big or go home. We're installing a couple LED walls today, replacing some projection screens. An LED wall is a seamless display, high contrast, great viewing angles. These LED walls are becoming a lot more commonplace. Airports, transportation stations, corporate boardrooms, we really put them everywhere that they want a large format display. We can do sizes anywhere from 100 inch all the way up to, you name it, 200-300 inches. In a boardroom, you have a lot of viewers at a lot of different angles. You have a lot of viewers that are sitting farther away. They need that crystal clear image to look at. We've got two displays on two opposite ends of the walls where we have board members needing to see the exact mirrored content on both sides of the room. So perfect for this type of environment. Best Buy and Samsung are better together because having one partner makes it a lot less complex. There's a lot of planning, there's a lot of precision that goes into engineering, drawings, measuring. Everything has to be very precise. Bringing all of the services under one roof is very instrumental to streamlining the process. We're able to do that in-house, so it kind of gives us an advantage, and the communication is much, much better when it's all under one roof. Currently, with Best Buy and Samsung, we are doing installations all over the country. I'm in communication with Samsung every day. I'm really excited where LED is going. Costs are coming down, displays are getting larger. We're going to be doing a lot of installations for these businesses. We're excited that we're on the forefront of that.